When the sun goes down, it feels like the world goes to sleep. But for many animals, this is when their day is just beginning. The forest, the desert, and even the ocean transform into a completely different place. The bright, bustling world of daytime birds and squirrels gives way to a mysterious, hidden kingdom ruled by creatures of the night. This is the nocturnal world, a time filled with secrets, danger, and incredible survival stories. It's a time when predators use the cover of darkness to their advantage, and prey must be more alert than ever to stay safe. It's a world I absolutely love to explore, because you never know what you might find. As darkness falls, a new cast of characters emerges from their daytime hiding spots. They creep out from burrows under the ground, from hollow logs and from deep dark caves. The air, once filled with the songs of daytime birds, now hums with the buzz of moths and the chirps of crickets. In the trees, you might hear the soft hoot of an owl, a sound that sends shivers down the spine of any small mouse or vole. The night is not silent, it is simply playing a different kind of music. It's a symphony of stealthy footsteps, quiet calls, and the rustle of leaves that signals a hunter is on the move, or that prey has just made a narrow escape. This change from day to night is like a shift change in a giant wild factory. The daytime animals, which are called diurnal, head to their nests and dens to rest. They have done their work of finding food and avoiding danger in the sunlight. Now, it is time for the nocturnal animals to take over. This split helps to reduce competition for food and space. Imagine if every single animal was trying to find a meal at the same exact time. It would be chaos. By dividing the 24-hour day, nature has created a brilliant system where more species can live together in the same habitat without constantly getting in each other's way. The darkness provides a perfect cloak for many animals. It helps them hide from their enemies and gives them an edge when they are hunting. For smaller, more vulnerable creatures, the night is a safer time to search for food because many of their biggest predators are fast asleep. For the hunters, the shadows offer the ultimate camouflage, allowing them to get incredibly close to their next meal without being spotted. This nightly game of hide-and-seek is played all over the planet, from the coldest Arctic regions to the hottest tropical rainforests, and it's one of the most fascinating dramas in the natural world. So, who are these amazing creatures that make up the Night Squad? The list is long and full of some of the most awesome animals on Earth. One of the most famous is the owl, a true master of the night sky. With their massive eyes and silent flight, they are perfectly built for hunting in the dark. Then, you have mammals, like the bat, the only mammal capable of true flight. They use a special skill called echolocation to navigate and find tiny insects in complete blackness, which is just incredible. Bats are so important for controlling insect populations, eating thousands of them every single night. Another key member of the nocturnal team is the fox. These clever canids are often seen at dusk and dawn, a time we call crepuscular, but they do much of their hunting under the cover of full darkness. They use their sharp hearing and keen sense of smell to track down small rodents, birds, and even find fallen fruit. On the other side of the world, in the forests of Southeast Asia, you might find a slow loris. This primate has enormous eyes to gather as much light as possible, helping it to spot insects and nibble on tree sap without being seen by predators like pythons. Of course, the Night Squad isn't just about predators. Many other animals are active at night simply to find food and avoid the heat of the day. In the deserts of North America, the kangaroo rat comes out of its burrow to search for seeds. It has incredible hearing to detect the faint sound of a rattlesnake slithering nearby, and powerful hind legs to leap away to safety in an instant. In Africa, the bizarre-looking aardvark uses its pig-like snout and long, sticky tongue to dig into termite mounds and feast on the insects inside, a meal it can only get safely after the sun has set. Even insects join the nighttime crew in huge numbers. Moths are a classic example, drawn to lights and fluttering through the night sky to find flowers and a mate. Their feathery antennae are brilliant at picking up chemical signals or pheromones from other moths over great distances. Fireflies, or lightning bugs, are another amazing nocturnal insect. They create their own light through a chemical reaction called bioluminescence. They use their flashing lights to communicate, sending signals to attract partners in the dark, creating a magical light show in the warm summer air. To survive in a world with almost no light, nocturnal animals have evolved some of the most amazing senses in the animal kingdom. Sight is a big one. Many nocturnal creatures like bush babies and owls have enormous eyes relative to their body size. These huge eyes act like giant light collectors, gathering every tiny bit of available light from the moon and stars. Behind the retina, many of these animals have a special reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. This is what makes their eyes seem to glow when a light is shined on them. It acts like a mirror, bouncing light back through the eye for a second chance to see. Hearing is another crucial supersense for the night. For an owl, hearing is just as important as sight, if not more so. Their faces are shaped like a satellite dish called a facial disc, which funnels sound towards their ears. What's even more amazing is that their ears are often placed at different heights on their head. This slight difference allows the owl to pinpoint the exact location of a sound, like the rustle of a mouse under snow, with deadly accuracy. They can essentially create a three-dimensional map of their surroundings using sound alone, a skill that makes them nearly unstoppable hunters. Smell, or olfaction, is a sense that works just as well in the dark as it does in the day, and many nocturnal animals rely on it heavily. Animals like badgers and raccoons have long snouts packed with sensory receptors, allowing them to follow the faintest scent trails left by prey or sniff out food buried underground. Moths, as we mentioned, use their sense of smell to find partners from miles away. For many mammals, scent is also a way to communicate. They leave scent marks using urine or special glands to mark their territory, warning other animals to stay away and telling potential mates that they are in the area. Some animals have senses that seem like something out of a comic book. Bats are the ultimate example with their echolocation. They produce high-frequency clicks from their mouth or nose, and these sound waves bounce off objects in their path. The bat's brain then interprets the returning echoes to build a detailed sound map of its environment. This allows them to see a tiny moth in pitch-black conditions and dodge obstacles like tree branches while flying at high speed. It's a biological sonar system, and it is one of the most sophisticated sensory adaptations on the planet. With their super senses and the cover of darkness, nocturnal predators become true masters of the hunt. Let's look at how they put it all together. A barn owl, perched silently on a fence post, is a perfect example of a stealthy hunter. Its specialized feathers have soft, fringe-like edges that muffle the sound of its wing beats, allowing it to fly in complete silence. It listens with its asymmetrical ears, turning its head until the sound of a scurrying vole is perfectly centered. When the moment is right, it plunges down talons first, snatching its prey before the victim even knows what's happening. Hiding, the flip side of hunting, is just as important. For prey animals, the darkness is a shield. A rabbit, for instance, will freeze completely still when it senses danger. Its mottled brown fur provides excellent camouflage against the forest floor, even in the faint moonlight. Its long ears swivel independently, scanning for the slightest sound of an approaching fox. If the predator gets too close, the rabbit relies on an explosive burst of speed, zigzagging wildly to confuse the hunter and make its escape. Every night is a life-or-death test of its ability to stay hidden and be ready to run. Communication in the dark takes many forms. Wolves are a brilliant example of long-distance communicators. Their haunting howls can travel for many miles across the open tundra or through dense forest. A howl isn't just a random noise, it's a complex message. It can be used to rally the pack together for a hunt, to warn rival packs to stay out of their territory, or to simply locate other pack members who have become separated. It's their way of talking across a vast, dark landscape, ensuring the pack stays a strong and coordinated unit. Ultimately, the night is not an empty, quiet time. It is a vital and bustling period for a huge portion of Earth's wildlife. It provides a cooler, safer environment for many animals to thrive, and it offers a special set of advantages for hunters and hiders alike. The darkness reduces competition and opens up opportunities that simply don't exist during the day. From the silent flight of an owl to the echolocating clicks of a bat, the nocturnal world is a showcase of incredible evolution and adaptation. It proves that life finds a way to flourish in every condition, even when the lights go out.